This video will show you how to use the Jinlong Wi-Fi Stick Datalogger. Install the Datalogger. Install the antenna to the Datalogger. Match the joint, and then insert the Datalogger to the inverter COM port. Rotate the black ring in clockwise. Press and hold reset for 5 seconds to enter the configuration mode of connecting to the router. Wi-Fi configuration. Use your phone to scan the QR code to download and register the Solis Cloud app. If it is a new Datalogger, please configure it first. Then click the Wi-Fi configuration. Manually input Datalogger SN or scan the SN on the Datalogger. Choose the configuration method. Recommended click Browser configuration. Long press the reset button for 5 seconds until the yellow and green LEDs are quickly flashing. Then click the I'm sure it is flashing. Connect to the Datalogger network Solis. The wireless device, mobile phone, or laptop connects to the Datalogger hotspot Solis _ serial number. The default password is 1234567889. After that, return to app. Click arrow icon. Make sure the phone is connected to router Wi-Fi and switch back to the page to fill in the Wi-Fi password. Then move to next step. Configuration complete.